Good morning, all. Welcome you all for this session. So, in this session, we are going to solve the problem on projection of planes, which is inclined to both the planes. So, I am Hariprasad Trekonda. Let us go to the given problem. The given problem is like this: a pentagonal plane. Here, side of the pentagonal plane is given 30 mm, has an edge on the HP. So, in edges on the HP. In edges on the HP. The surface of the plane is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. Draw its projections. So here in this problem, if you see, the plane is pentagon. This is the plane. Next one is side will be 30 mm. Has an edge on the HP. So has an edge on the HP. This is the key point. ఇది మనకి ఒక key point, edge on the HP. The surface of the plane is inclined at 45. The surface will be inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇనిషియల్గా మనము దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం హ్యాస్ టు బి, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మనము 2 స్టేజ్లో డ్రా చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ కేసు వచ్చింది ఎడ్జ్ ఆన్ హెచ్పి అన్నాడు, ఎడ్జ్ ఆన్ హెచ్పి. సో ఫస్ట్ కేస్ 1 ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టేజ్, దట్ ఈస్ కేస్ 1, విల్ అజ్యూమ్, మనము అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము ద టోటల్ ప్లేన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ హెచ్పి. నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ ఈస్ one side is there now, one side should be perpendicular to xy line or perpendicular to VP. That is a condition we need to draw the first stage. First we need to draw, we need to assume the plane is completely in HP and one side is perpendicular to xy line or perpendicular to VP. That is a case 1. Next thing is case 2 is we need to rotate the top view because inclined to HP is given. So that will be visible in front view. That will be visible in front view. So redraw the front view. Such that it will make an angle of 45. And next one is you take the corresponding projections from the stage 1. You take the corresponding projections from the stage 1 top view, and you take the projections of the stage 2 front view, since we are redrawing the front view. Then you will get the final top view in the stage 2. So like this we need to draw in the 2 stages. So since one edge is this, let us understand the problem. Manaku ikkade problem lo one edge is in HP is given. So let us assume initially, since it is in HP, total plane is in HP, and such that the edge AB is there, no, that will be perpendicular to, this is the XY line, perpendicular to XY line or perpendicular to VP. That is the initial condition. So since it is on the HP, so it is parallel to HP, that indicates that plane is parallel to HP. So first we need to draw the front view, because parallel to HP means you will get the 2 dimensions. First we need to draw the front view. First we need to draw the top view, because the plane is parallel to HP. Next one is next stage is you need to draw the top view. So front view is a top view is a pentagon, and this will be front view. And this will be top view. So while seeing from the top you will get the pentagon shape. This will be top view. Next one is while seeing from the front, you will get the front view. So first we need to draw the top view, that is pentagon, such that AB is perpendicular to XY line. Then we need to draw the front view, that is since it is a plane, you will get the straight line on XY line. So on these conditions we need to draw the stage 1. This is stage 1. Once you finish the stage 1, then what we are doing is we are redrawing that front view. We are redrawing the same front view such that it is makes an angle of 45. That means tilt the plane. Plane మనం కానీ tilt చేసినట్లయితే, so it is making an angle of 45 here. So you redraw the front view, then you take the corresponding projections from the front view, and then you take the corresponding projections of top view in the stage 1, then you will get the top view in the second stage. So let us see the final solution. మనము final solution చూసుకున్నట్లయితే, first we need to draw the pentagon. First we need to draw the pentagon. This is pentagon, 30 mm. So here you draw a 72 degrees line. On this line you measure 30 mm, you will get this point. Next one is similarly from B also you measure 72 degrees line. So on this line you measure 30 mm, you will get C point. Next one is C as a center. Distance in the compass is 30 mm, you draw D point. You draw one arc. Similarly, distance in the compass is 30 mm. E as a center, you draw one more arc. You will get the intersection point as a D point. Join those points, you will get the pentagon shape. So this will be the front view. Sorry, this will be the top view. This will be the top view. This will be the top view. While seeing from the top, you will get. Next one is the front view will be lies on the XY line when it is lies in the ground. So you take the projections. You take the projections like this. You take the projection like this. You take the projections like this. You take the projections like this. So then you will get the corresponding top view, corresponding front view. Corresponding front view you will get. Next thing is you draw front view, that is A dash, B dash. Next one is C dash, E dash. Next D dash will be there. These are stage 1. These are stage 1 problem. These are stage 1 problem. So stage 1 lo what we are assuming, since one edge is on the HP, initially we are assuming the total plane is in HP such that AB makes an AB is perpendicular to XY line. So our condition lo whenever a pentagon is on the HP, its top view will be a true pentagon of 30 mm. So since in front of a distance is not given, below XY line now you can draw pentagon at any convenient distance. So and make the notations A, B, C, D, E. Then when it is on the HP, the corresponding front view will be lies on the XY line. The corresponding front view will be lies on the XY line. So that is a straight line. Since it is a plane, that is a straight line. Therefore, since we are viewing now, we'll get this side will be A dash of B dash, C dash of E dash, and this is D dash. Now in the second stage, what we are doing is we are rotating the plane such that it makes an angle of 45. We are rotating the plane. So manama plane rotate chestunnam valla, so it is making an angle of 45 with the HP. So that will be visible in front view. So what we are doing is we are redrawing the front view. Same, you measure the same length, whatever the length it is there now, you redraw the same length here. So note the points A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash, and D dash as per these dimensions. As per these dimensions, you note the you measure the same length. You may notate the according to the dimensions. You notate the points also. Note the points also A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash, and D dash. You redraw the figure. Now you take the projections from the corresponding points. You take the projector from A dash, B dash, and here you take the projection from A. You will get the A point. Similarly, you take the projection from B. You will get the B dash point. Next one is you take the projections from the top front view, that is C dash, E dash, and you take the projections from E, and you take the projection from C. You will get the E dash, C, and E. Next one is finally you take the projection from D dash, and you take the projection from D. You will get the D point. So finally, you draw the final front view and final top view. So if you draw finally, so this will be the this will be the this will be the this will be the final top view when makes an angle of when the plane is makes an angle of what is it 45 to the HP. This is the final top view. This is called as final top view. This is called as final top view, and this is called as final uh, final front view. Final front view. So like this, incline to HP will be drawn in two stages. One is assuming it is on the HP, that is stage one. Second stage will be the plane is perpendicular to, the plane is inclined at an angle of 45 to the HP. So in the two stages, we are solving the problem. So I hope you understand the problem. For any doubts and clarifications, so you can contact me. So my name is Hari Prasad. This is a phone number 9885404470, and this is the email ID thprasad14@gmail.com, and this is my YouTube channel. Simply type at thprasads, you'll get my YouTube channel. So next you can subscribe when you open my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.